Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, 23rd November 2017. For right now, I done man haircut. This is called
Claire
graduate.
Claire Jones.
Graduate haircut, and this will look different from.
Like a movie star.
Yeah, it's called graduate man haircut style. And thank you.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you to be my model, and can you write your name for me so I can know who you are?
Okay.
And
Should I put Mr. on there? Mr.?
no, you didn't have to.
You know Mr. Me, Mr.
See you and
Sometimes that's a girl's name.
Joan.
Yeah, Jones.
C-L-A-R-E.
Yeah.
J-O-N-E-S.
Yeah, A-R-E.
Okay. What your name is that? Claire?
Claire, yeah.
Claire Joan, right?
Yeah.
This gift to you. Thank you. And
Maybe I don't need all of these. Here, you keep some.
I will give you.
Yeah. You have good technique.
You like?
Yeah.
Okay. I will lift you down.
Okay.
Thank you. You can go this door. You can go this door.
Okay.
And I will clean up a little bit,
Okay.
and so I will.
Okay.
Uh,
I'll come back, okay?
okay, you can come back sometime.
Okay. So, which door? This door?
This door, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye.
Thank you. That's right.
I'll see you at church, okay?
Okay, if I will try to be there sometime.
Okay.
And,
Okay, goodbye.
okay. Do you like it?
Thank you,
Do
thank
you
you,
like,
Rachel.
right?
Yes, very good. Very good, thank you. Is that Chinese, that plaque on the wall? Is that Chinese?
Now, what time? You want to know what time?
Yeah.
About 7 minutes, 4 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
It will be 4 o'clock.
Okay, I go home now.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Shay Shay. That's Chinese. Do you know Chinese?
Yeah.
Love it?
Zai Jian. See you again.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Zai Jian.
再见，
Zai
再见，
Jian. Yes.
再见。
Xia means thank you.
Okay.
Xia.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Shop with the Magician.
The Romanian people point to Myanmar, saying they are not says it is still working on the details. The CBC's Peter Cowan has more.
To buy pot in Newfoundland and Labrador, you'll have to be 19, just like the drinking age. But unlike booze, the main place to buy it won't be the provincially run liquor stores. Private companies will be licensed to sell it. Andrew Parsons is the province's Minister of Justice and Public Safety. He says the type of stores will be discussed.
This is one of the biggest public policy shifts in the entire country in decades. The fact is, we're not going to answer all questions today. There's going to be more decisions coming.
The province hasn't set rules for growing your own, but the only place you'll be able to smoke pot is in your home and won't be allowed in public, workplaces, or vehicles. And while Parsons was happy to talk pot policy, he won't talk about his own experience.
It's none of your business.
Peter Cowan, CBC News, St. John's.
The search continues in Nunavut for a man and a boy missing for 7